Hi, it's Brittany and Brooke. And we're going to show you a raspberry today. It's the weird thing to where you do the weird thing with your lips, and we're going to show you. And we're going to do this for 1 minute. And ready, set, we got to close up. Ready, set, go. Now I'm going to say something in slow motion. Since this video is already in slow motion, it's going to be slower. Bye. Stay tuned. Bye. Stay tuned. Okay.